Well, today we are visiting the Welsh Academy here in Cleveland, learning about their upcoming open house and more. And we're talking with Dr. Ann Vogel and Maggie Peña. Tell me, what is the Welsh Academy?
The Welsh Academy is a very special place, Sarah. Thank you for asking. We are the only Jesuit all-boys middle school in the city of Cleveland. We are created for boys and families of modest economic means from the city of Cleveland and the surrounding suburbs. We definitely are a place for families who want more for their sons in a holistic way that is also academically rigorous.
So tell me a little bit about the academics. What's unique? What does it look like?
I could go on forever about this, really, Sarah, but what is unique about us is that all of our boys loop with all of their teachers for 3 years. We get to know the real boy. We build relationships based on our pillars of encounter care, deeper teaching, and deeper learning. By that, we're able to build trust. The boys are able to take initiative and take risks to actually learn by doing.
Tell me, who is the ideal applicant?
The ideal applicant, kind of working off what Mary Ann said, is that student that's looking for more out of their academics and don't know that we exist and that these scholarship opportunities exist here for them in the city of Cleveland.
And tell me a little bit more about how parents would find more information or learn more.
The first thing to do would be you can go to our website, the Welsh Academy. You can call our school. We love for families to come in and do tours. We have an open house March 1st, Sunday, March 1st from 2 to 5 will be a great way for them to kind of see some of our program we do, meet our teachers. That would be the best way, but our doors are always open. I'm loving to do tours for families, even community organizers or organizations that would love to come learn a little bit more about us as well.
To learn more about that open house or the school in general, just go to welshacademy.org.